organizing all my radios. Those Horizon radios will be for all my Cubs. Yellow tip. I don't know. What do y'all think I should do? Paint it? Or leave those pretty floats just like they are? Even though they kind of don't go with the new paint, but anyway, it's time to get the boats out too. I'm gonna get everything reorganized, get going for the season. Maybe get a flight on my new Cub. I haven't gotten the air yet. Who knows? We'll see what transpires. Again, let me know. Paint or not. Till next time, adios.